Welcome to my channel. WAVLINK AC1200 Outdoor Wi-Fi Extender Setup. Remove the WAVLINK AC1200 extender and all included accessories from the box. Plug the power adapter into the extender and then connect it to a power outlet. On your device, find and connect to the Wi-Fi network named WAVLINK. Open a web browser and enter the extender's default IP address, such as 192.168.10.1, in the address bar. Enter the default login credentials, usually both are admin, to access the configuration interface. Follow the on-screen instructions of the setup wizard to begin configuring the extender. Choose your main Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password for it. After applying settings, disconnect from the extender's network and reconnect to your main Wi-Fi network. Move the extender to its intended outdoor location and mount it if necessary. Check the extended Wi-Fi signal strength and speed, and adjust the extender's position if needed to ensure optimal performance.